So in this video we'll learn how to create a coil just like this one using a modifier, screw modifier. First of all, we'll press A to select all, X and delete. Press Shift A, mesh, select circle, tab to move to edit mode, G and move it on X axis up to here, tab again to go back to object mode, go to modifiers, add modifier, screw, and then increase the screw a bit, then go to axis, change from Z to X or Y, yes, Y, then add the iteration, let's say 10. Okay, now increase or decrease the screw as you want to your desired length. Now we will rotate it, press R, X for rotation on X axis, then type in 90 for 90 degrees, press enter, and that's it. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching.